I'm joined here with Charissa Davis today, who is the head of compliance at Diesta, which is a Fintech company. And I'd just love to get started, Charissa, with a brief introduction of you and what was so important for Diesta to get compliance. Maybe you could start giving me a little intro about what you guys do.
Sure. Thank you, Hayden. So for Diesta, it really comes down to where we sit in the marketplace. We operate right in the middle of insurance premium reconciliations, payments, and financial data. Our customers are regulated entities, for example, insurers, MGAs, and brokers. And because of that, we're expected to operate at a very high standard from day one. As you can probably imagine, security and compliance are not optional. They're foundational to trust and credibility that's required to operate in such a regulated industry.
Amazing. And then before Scrut, how were you handling your compliance checks and customer due diligence? What did it kind of look like for your team on the day-to-day, and how did you face significant challenges?
Well, before Scrut, I'd like to think that we were doing the right things, but I have to admit that this was ultimately inefficient and very difficult to sustain, especially as we scaled across multiple compliance frameworks. A lot of compliance lived in disjointed documents, spreadsheets. Different people owned different parts. Evidences were really hard to keep track of, and customer due diligence is really just way too long. At any point in time, we had no reliable visibility to how compliant or ready we were. And so this wasn't something that could scale, given Diesta's rapid rate of expansion.